Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to BBC TopGear India. In turn, to rewrite your own history, sometimes you need to press the fast forward button. This is what the Ducati Scrambler has done with this new generation, which becomes more contemporary and with an even more vibrant personality. The next-gen land of joy, the Ducati Scrambler's universe of freedom, fun, and self-expression expands, becoming more colorful and irreverent. The new generation of Ducati Scrambler has been completely redesigned, retaining the spirit that has made this family a worldwide success by winning over 100,000 fans. An essential, fun, easy-to-ride motorcycle with a great personality, whose uniqueness emerges even stronger thanks to an eye-catching modern style. The second generation confirms the simplicity and authenticity that have always represented essential values for all Ducati Scrambler enthusiasts. The air-cooled twin-cylinder Desmoduo engine, trellis frame, wide handlebars, low center of gravity, and fun riding are enhanced by advanced electronics and more modern style in lines and concepts. The result of this recipe are three Ducati Scrambler models: Icon, Full Throttle and Nightshift. Three differently styled motorcycles united by a relaxed riding position and low weight to offer enthusiasts of all experiences and abilities a great riding pleasure on urban journeys as well as on out-of-town trips. First up, the Ducati Scrambler Icon. The Icon version represents the Ducati Scrambler par excellence. The new tank is the element that shapes the customization concept of the new Ducati Scrambler Icon. In fact, the colored portion is a replaceable cover, as the fenders, the tags on the wheels, and the little front headlight covers. The look of the Ducati Scrambler can adapt to all tastes with great ease. In fact, the three standard colors, 62 yellow, thrilling black, and the Ducati red, are joined by 6 more available as accessory kits to dress up the new Ducati Scrambler Icon in 9 different liveries. The Ducati Scrambler Icon features a revised handlebar that is lower and closer to the rider, allowing more control over the bike. The seat has been redesigned with a more tapered and streamlined shape. Completing the design of this new generation of Icon are black under seat side panels with Ducati Scrambler graphics. Next up, the Ducati Scrambler Full Throttle. The Ducati Scrambler Full Throttle is the sportiest proposal in the 2023 range and is inspired by the US flat track competitions on dirt ovals. The side number plates bear the number 62, wherein the number 62 comes from the year 1962, which was the debut year of the first Ducati Scrambler. In a perfect tracker style and along with skid plate, define a decidedly grittier aesthetic for those who do not want to go unnoticed. The Full Throttle sporty character is underlined by the sport look seat, the dedicated livery in GP19 red dark stealth, and the black finish of the exhaust head shields, and also the front side covers. A shorter front fender, a tail without a rear fender, red tags on the alloy wheels, a street legal Termignoni silencer, Ducati Performance LED turn signals, and standard quick shift up-down complete the package. And coming on to the final one, the Ducati Scrambler Nightshift. The most elegant among the proposals in the Ducati 2023 range is the Nightshift, distinguished by more classic and refined details such as saddle in a cafe racer style, stitched and in the dark leather shade, or the alternation of glossy and matte surfaces. Ducati Scrambler Nightshift, like Full Throttle, features side number plates, a minimal front fender, no rear fender, black finishes for the aluminium aesthetic details, as well as a compact LED turn signal. Nebula blue coloring and spoked wheels, now completely black, make the Nightshift decidedly sophisticated in appearance, which is completed as on the previous generation model of the same name, with a flat set, variable section handlebar and bar and mirrors, also just like a cafe racer.